December is the month that really separates the casual growers from those who want a thriving garden every single month. I know how it feels. Your beds are chilly, daylight is short, and it's tempting to just forget about the garden until spring. But here's the thing. If you play your cards right, your garden can keep on giving, even when most people have packed it in for the year. Let's get straight into what you should be planting right now, because winter doesn't wait, and neither should you. First up, garlic. Garlic absolutely loves the cold. It needs those chilly nights to split its bulb into fat, juicy cloves. Plant each clove about 4 inches deep with loose, rich soil. If your ground is heavy, just work in a couple cups of compost per square foot. Water it once with a splash of liquid seaweed, then mulch and leave it be. The cold's not your enemy here, it's the magic ingredient. Next, spinach. Spinach is the rare green that actually speeds up when the mercury drops. Sow those seeds 1/2 inch deep, no need to fuss. Once they pop up, water with a teaspoon of Epsom salt in warm water. Trust me, this keeps them deep green and full of life, even as everything else winds down. Onions are up next, and winter is root building time. Pick hardy varieties and plant them 2 inches deep. Mix compost and soil, raise the bed up if you need better drainage, and only water when the soil dries out a bit. Onions hate soggy feet in winter, so keep it just moist, not drenched. If you love peas, you're in luck. Plant bush or semi-dwarf peas about 1 inch deep right now. As soon as they sprout, give them something to climb. For an early boost, dissolve a teaspoon of molasses in warm water and give the soil a soak. That'll get the microbes buzzing and support those nitrogen-hungry roots. Lettuce actually gets sweeter in winter. The cold turns starch into sugar. Sow seeds shallowly, about 1/4 inch deep. If the nights get brutal, just toss a row cover over them. Water early in the day and give them steady moisture. That's all they need until spring. Carrots planted now grow longer and sweeter. The cold transforms their starch into sugar, and you'll notice the flavor difference. Loosen your bed at least 10 inches deep and mix in some sand if your soil's heavy. Sow thinly, keep them undisturbed, and just let them do their thing. Kale is the winter warrior of the garden. Frost actually makes it taste better. Set seedlings 12 inches apart in a sunny spot, work some compost in, and water weekly, unless nature does it for you. With enough light, kale almost takes care of itself. Beets need a head start before deep winter. Get their tops going early by planting seeds 1/2 inch deep in consistently moist soil. Once your seedlings hit 2 inches, water in a little fish emulsion. Their roots will swell as the cold sets in. Broad beans love the cold. Plant them 1 inch deep, mulch with a couple inches to protect them, and press the soil down firmly. This helps their roots anchor and keeps frost from popping the seedlings out. Last but not least, green onions. If you want quick winter harvests, this is your crop. Sow dense rows, trim the tops at 4 inches to thicken them up, and water with a bit of kelp extract for stronger roots. If you act now, these 10 crops will be quietly working under the frost, turning winter's chill into your garden's secret weapon. Winter gardening isn't about fighting nature, it's about teaming up with the cold to grow something amazing. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and share it with another gardener who wants their beds bursting with life all year round. Your support keeps nature's blueprint growing strong. See you in the garden.